Animals are truly remarkable creatures, showcasing a diverse range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. From the icy Arctic to scorching deserts and the dark depths of the ocean, animals have evolved unique strategies to survive and even thrive in these challenging environments. One such example is the Arctic fox, which boasts a thick fur coat that changes color with the seasons to blend in with its surroundings, providing excellent insulation against the cold. In the desert, the camel's ability to store fat in its hump for energy and water conservation allows it to endure long periods without food or water. Moving to the ocean, deep-sea creatures like the anglerfish have developed bioluminescent lures to attract prey in the pitch-black depths where sunlight cannot penetrate. These fascinating adaptations not only help these animals survive, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. By studying these record holders and their extraordinary abilities, we gain valuable insights into the resilience and ingenuity of the natural world, inspiring us to appreciate and protect the diversity of life on our planet. Extreme conditions in nature present a myriad of challenges for living organisms, pushing them to evolve unique adaptations to survive and thrive. One of the harshest environments on Earth is the Arctic, where temperatures can plummet well below freezing and daylight can be scarce for months on end. Despite these harsh conditions, animals like the Arctic fox have adapted by growing thick fur coats that provide insulation against the cold and change color with the seasons to blend in with the snowy landscape. This remarkable camouflage not only helps them evade predators, but also allows them to sneak up on their prey with stealth. Moving to the other extreme, deserts are characterized by scorching temperatures, limited water sources, and sparse vegetation. Yet, animals like the camel have evolved specialized adaptations to thrive in these arid landscapes. The camel's hump stores fat, not water as commonly believed, which serves as an energy reserve during times of scarcity. Additionally, their ability to conserve water by producing concentrated urine and minimizing sweat loss enables them to endure long periods without drinking. Venturing into the depths of the ocean reveals a world of darkness, extreme pressure, and frigid temperatures. Deep-sea creatures like the anglerfish have developed fascinating adaptations to survive in this hostile environment. The anglerfish uses a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black depths where sunlight cannot penetrate. This ingenious strategy allows them to conserve energy while maximizing their chances of catching food in the vast expanse of the deep sea. These examples highlight the incredible diversity of adaptations that have evolved in response to extreme conditions in nature. Whether it's the Arctic fox's winter coat, the camel's hump, or the anglerfish's bioluminescent lure, each adaptation is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life on Earth. By studying these remarkable creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world and the remarkable ways in which animals have conquered some of the most challenging environments on our planet. The Arctic is a harsh and unforgiving environment with freezing temperatures and limited food sources. Yet, Arctic animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in this icy landscape. One such example is the Arctic fox, a master of camouflage and endurance. These small, agile creatures boast a thick fur coat that changes color with the seasons, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the snowy terrain and evade predators. In addition to their excellent camouflage, Arctic foxes have adapted their hunting strategies to survive in the harsh Arctic conditions. They are known to follow polar bears to scavenge on their kills, displaying a clever strategy for securing food in a challenging environment. Another fascinating Arctic inhabitant is the polar bear, the largest land predator on Earth. These majestic creatures are perfectly suited for life in the Arctic, with a thick layer of blubber to insulate them from the cold and powerful limbs for swimming long distances in search of food. Polar bears are expert hunters, relying on their keen sense of smell to detect seals beneath the ice and their stealthy approach to catch them by surprise. Moving from land to sea, the beluga whale is another Arctic marvel. These white whales are known as the canaries of the sea. due to their melodic vocalizations that echo through the icy waters. Belugas have adapted to their Arctic habitat, with a flexible neck that allows them to maneuver through the ice-covered waters with ease. Their unique ability to echolocate helps them navigate and communicate in the dark depths of the Arctic Ocean. These Arctic animals exemplify the resilience and adaptability of life in extreme environments, showcasing the incredible diversity of strategies that have evolved to conquer the challenges of the frozen north. Deserts are among the most challenging environments on Earth, characterized by scorching temperatures, limited water sources, and sparse vegetation. Despite these harsh conditions, desert animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in these arid landscapes. One iconic desert dweller is the camel, known for its ability to survive long periods without water. Contrary to popular belief, camels do not store water in their humps, but rather fat reserves that serve as an energy source when food and water are scarce. Their ability to conserve water by producing concentrated urine and minimizing sweat loss allows them to endure the blistering heat of the desert sun. Another fascinating desert inhabitant is the fennec fox, a small fox species with oversized ears that serve as natural radiators to dissipate heat and regulate body temperature in the scorching desert heat. The fennec fox is also a master digger, creating underground burrows to escape the heat of the day and stay cool. Moving to the reptile kingdom, the thorny devil lizard is a true desert survivor. This unique lizard has a spiky, camouflage skin that helps it blend into the sandy desert terrain and avoid predators. The thorny devil's specialized skin channels dew and rainwater towards its mouth, allowing it to hydrate in the arid desert environment. Another remarkable adaptation of desert animals is seen in the kangaroo rat, a small rodent that has evolved to thrive in the harsh desert conditions. Kangaroo rats are well adapted to conserve water, obtaining most of their hydration from the seeds they eat and producing highly concentrated urine to minimize water loss. Their powerful hind legs enable them to hop quickly and efficiently, conserving energy and avoiding predators in the vast desert landscape. These desert animals exemplify the incredible diversity of adaptations that have evolved to conquer the challenges of arid environments, showcasing the resilience and ingenuity of life in some of the harshest habitats on our planet. The deep sea is a mysterious and inhospitable environment with extreme pressures, frigid temperatures, and perpetual darkness. Despite these challenges, deep-sea creatures have evolved fascinating adaptations to thrive in this harsh realm. One such remarkable inhabitant is the anglerfish, known for its bioluminescent lure that dangles from its head like a fishing rod. This lure emits light to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black depths where sunlight cannot penetrate. The anglerfish's unique hunting strategy allows it to conserve energy while maximizing its chances of catching food in the vast expanse of the deep sea. Moving on to the gulper eel, this bizarre creature has a highly distensible stomach that allows it to swallow prey much larger than itself. The gulper eel's large mouth and expandable jaws enable it to engulf prey whole, making it a formidable predator in the deep-sea food chain. Another intriguing deep-sea dweller is the vampire squid, a deep-sea cephalopod with a gelatinous body and webbed arms resembling a cloak. Despite its ominous name, the vampire squid is a gentle filter feeder that uses its long, filamentous arms to capture marine snow and small particles for food. This unique feeding strategy allows the vampire squid to thrive in the nutrient-poor waters of the deep sea. Venturing deeper into the abyss, we encounter the deep-sea dragonfish, a bioluminescent predator with sharp teeth and a long, slender body. The deep-sea dragonfish uses its glowing photophores to attract prey and communicate with potential mates in the dark depths where visibility is limited. Its elongated body and fang-like teeth are well suited for capturing elusive prey in the deep-sea environment. Lastly, the giant tube worm is a fascinating deep-sea creature that thrives near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These tube worms have a symbiotic relationship with chemosynthetic bacteria that live inside their bodies and provide them with nutrients. The giant tube worm's unique adaptation to harness energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight allows it to survive in the extreme conditions of the deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These deep-sea creatures exemplify the extraordinary diversity of life in the ocean's depths and showcase the incredible adaptations that have evolved to conquer the challenges of this mysterious and alien environment. Animals across different habitats have evolved common adaptations to survive and thrive in extreme conditions. One such adaptation is camouflage, which allows animals to blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. The Arctic fox, for example, changes the color of its fur with the seasons to match the snowy landscape, providing excellent camouflage against predators. Similarly, the sand-colored coat of the fennec fox helps it blend into the desert sands, making it less visible to potential threats. Another common adaptation is the ability to regulate body temperature. In the Arctic, animals like polar bears have thick layers of blubber that insulate them from the cold, while desert animals like camels have specialized mechanisms to cope with extreme heat. Camels can tolerate high body temperatures and dehydration by conserving water and minimizing sweat loss, allowing them to thrive in arid desert environments. Furthermore, animals have developed unique ways to obtain and conserve water in water-scarce habitats. The kangaroo rat, native to deserts, obtains most of its hydration from the seeds it eats and produces concentrated urine to minimize water loss. This adaptation enables the kangaroo rat to survive in the arid desert landscape where water sources are limited. Another fascinating adaptation seen in many animals is the ability to store energy reserves for times of scarcity. The hump of a camel stores fat, not water as commonly believed, serving as an energy reserve during periods of food scarcity. This adaptation allows camels to endure long periods without food and water in the desert. Additionally, animals have evolved specialized appendages for unique functions. The anglerfish in the deep sea has a bioluminescent lure that attracts prey in the dark depths where sunlight does not reach. This specialized adaptation helps the anglerfish catch food in the deep sea environment. These common adaptations highlight the incredible diversity of strategies that animals have evolved to overcome the challenges of their respective habitats, showcasing the ingenuity and resilience of life in the natural world. During the Q&A session on animal adaptations, audience members had the opportunity to delve deeper into the fascinating world of animal survival strategies. One common question that arose was about the Arctic fox and its ability to change fur color with the seasons. This remarkable adaptation not only provides camouflage in the snowy Arctic landscape, but also helps regulate body temperature. Another intriguing query focused on the camel's hump and its role in water conservation. Contrary to popular belief, the camel's hump stores fat, not water, serving as an energy reserve during times of scarcity. This adaptation allows camels to endure long periods without food or water in the desert. A curious audience member inquired about the unique hunting strategy of the anglerfish in the deep sea. The bioluminescent lure dangling from the anglerfish's head acts as a fishing rod to attract prey in the dark depths where sunlight cannot penetrate. This specialized adaptation helps the anglerfish catch food in the deep-sea environment. These engaging questions and discussions highlighted the diverse and ingenious ways in which animals have adapted to extreme conditions in their habitats, showcasing the resilience and creativity of life in the natural world. The incredible diversity of animal adaptations showcased in the Arctic, deserts, and deep sea is a testament to the ingenuity of life on Earth. From the Arctic fox's color-changing fur to the camel's hump storing energy reserves and the anglerfish's bioluminescent lure for hunting, each adaptation is a marvel of evolution. These remarkable strategies not only help animals survive in extreme conditions, but also contribute to the delicate balance of their ecosystems. By studying and appreciating these adaptations, we gain a deeper understanding of the resilience and diversity of life in nature. Let us continue to marvel at the wonders of the natural world and strive to protect and preserve the habitats that sustain these incredible creatures.